You thought that the contract ended in June. The contract says it is valid. Guess who's paying the damages now? In Pakistan, many businesses miscalculated the contract duration either by using vague language, ignoring renewal clauses, or failing to align with the legal definition of time. This is seen the small oversight can lead to breach of contract claims, financial penalties, or even litigation. Let's break it down what the law says and how it is can be avoided. Where business go wrong and what Pakistani law says. Section 20 to 22 Contract Acts. This section deals with the mistake of fact and mutual mistake. If the both parties misunderstood the contract duration, the agreement may be voidable. Section 29 of Contract with uncertainty or ambiguous terms, unlikely, unclear start or end dates can be declared void. Case law inside Pakistani courts have held that failure to refine or correctly interpret the contract duration can lead to dispute over the performance timelines, renewal obligations, and termination rights. Common pitfalls using phrases like valid for 1 year without specifying the start date, ignoring automatic renewal clauses, confusing calendar months with working months, not accounting for force majeure extensions. Justice Sayyid Zeraman Siddiqui said, a contract without a clear timeline is just like a journey without a map. It's bound to get lost. Always define the contract start and end date in precise terms. Clarify the renewal condition, termination windows, and any event that may extend, suspend the timeline. A few extra lines in your contract today can save you months of litigation tomorrow.